Hey viewers! Today we'll be making creamy chicken meatballs. These are very juicy, tender plum with a fantastic cream sauce. But most importantly, these are very delicious. This recipe is so easy and perfect. So let's check it out. Firstly, in a bowl I have taken 500 gram of chicken breast piece which I am going to ground. Into it, add 2 cloves of crushed garlic, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of chili flakes, salt for taste, 2 crushed green chilies, 1 whole egg, half cup of breadcrumbs and mix it well. Now adding on some coriander leaves, which I actually forgot to add on before I mixed it. Then make it into medium-sized balls and keep it aside. Now heat a pan and pour 3 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil and fry the meatballs until it is golden brown. Note that you have to cook it in a low flame. When it is done, transfer it to a plate and keep it aside. Nextly, heat a pan and melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Into it, add 2 cloves of crushed garlic, when the raw smell of garlic is gone, add half cup of fresh cream, half teaspoon of chili flakes, quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt for taste, and some coriander leaves. Mix it well. When it starts boiling, off the flame and pour it into the meatballs. Now, the creamy, juicy and yummy chicken meatballs are ready to serve. These are very easy to make and are finger-licking delicious, so give it a try. And also, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like. Bye bye.